Let's learn about wild animals. Tiger. Tiger's sound is roar. Fun fact, tigers are excellent swimmers. Elephant. Fun fact, elephants can recognize themselves in a mirror. Lion. Lion sound is roar. Fun fact, a lion's roar can be heard up to 5 miles away. Lion. Monkey. The monkey sound is chatter. Fun fact, monkeys use their tails to balance and sometimes to hold on to things. Monkey. Wolf. Wolves howl to talk to each other. They can howl so loudly that their friends can hear them from miles away. It's like a big wild phone call. Wolf. Bear. The bear's sound is growl. Fun fact, bears have an excellent sense of smell, better than dogs. Bear. Zebra. The zebra's sound is bray. Fun fact, each zebra has a unique pattern of black and white stripes. Giraffe. The giraffe's sound is hum. Fun fact, giraffes have the same number of neck vertebrae as humans, 7. Giraffe. Fox. The fox's sound is bark. Fun fact, foxes have whiskers on their legs to help them navigate. Fox. Crocodile. The crocodile sound is hiss. Fun fact, crocodiles can hold their breath underwater for up to an hour. Leopard. Leopards have spots called rosettes that help them blend in with their surroundings. It's like a secret camouflage suit so they can hide in trees or bushes. Leopard. Hippo. The hippo sound is grunt. Fun fact, hippos can hold their breath for about 5 minutes underwater. Hippo. Kangaroo. Kangaroos have a special pocket called a pouch where they carry their babies. The baby kangaroo, called a joey, stays in the pouch until it's big enough to hop on its own. Isn't that a cozy way to travel? Kangaroo. Rhinoceros. The rhinoceros sound is grunt. Fun fact, a group of rhinos is called a crash. Rhinoceros. Gorilla. Did you know that gorillas are super strong but also very gentle? They love to play with each other, especially tickling and wrestling. Just like us, they hug their family and friends to show they care. Owl. Owls can twist their necks to look behind them, which helps them see in every direction. They can turn their heads almost 270 degrees. Panda. Did you know that pandas spend most of their day eating? They love munching on bamboo, and they can eat for up to 12 hours a day. That's like having snack time all day long. Panda. Parrot. Fun fact about parrots. Parrots can copy sounds and even talk like humans. Some parrots can learn hundreds of words and love to say hello. Penguin. Did you know that penguins can't fly, but they're amazing swimmers? Penguins fly through the water by flapping their wings, and they can swim faster than most fish, up to 15 miles per hour. Penguin. Camel. Fun fact about camels. Camels are like living water bottles. They can drink lots and lots of water all at once, up to 40 gallons. Then, they can go many days without drinking again. Plus, their humps store fat, not water, helping them stay strong even in the hot desert. Koala. The koala sound is bellow. Fun fact, koalas sleep up to 18 hours a day. Koala. Bat. Fun fact about bats. Bats are the only mammals that can fly. They fly at night and use their super hearing to find food in the dark. It's almost like they have night vision ears. Otter. Did you know that otters hold hands when they sleep? This way they don't drift apart in the water. Isn't that sweet? It's like a big otter hug. Otter. Eagle. Eagles have super sharp eyesight. They can see things that are really far away, like a tiny fish swimming in the water from high up in the sky. Imagine being able to spot your favorite toy from a mile away. Peacock. The peacock sound is scream. Fun fact, peacocks can fly short distances despite their large size and heavy tail feathers. We're going to learn about where different animals live. Are you ready to explore their homes? Let's go! Look who's here! It's a rabbit. Rabbits live in cozy burrows underground. Their homes keep them safe and warm. What a cute, cozy home they have. Splash! Here comes a fish. Fish live in the water, like ponds, rivers, and oceans. Their homes are always wet, and they love to swim around all day. Imagine living in a big, watery world. Here's a little bird. Birds make nests high up in trees. Their nests are made of twigs and leaves, and they're perfect for keeping baby birds safe. What a lovely home in the sky. Woof, woof. Here's a friendly dog. Some dogs have little houses called dog houses, or kennel where they can rest and stay dry. Dog houses are like cozy shelters, just for our furry friends. Look, it's a big bear. Bears live in dens, which are often caves or hollowed-out trees. In the winter, they stay in their dens to hibernate. A den is the perfect cozy spot for a sleepy bear. Buzz, buzz. Do you see the bee? Bees live in hives, which are usually high up in trees or in special boxes. They make honey and take care of their queen inside the hive. Sweet and busy, just like a bee. Look at the tiny ant. Ants live in anthills, which they build out of soil and sand. Inside, there are many tunnels and rooms where ants work together. It's a busy home for such small creatures. Roar! Here comes the king of the jungle, the lion. Lions live in dens just like bears, but their dens are usually in the savannah or jungle. It's a strong and safe place for a mighty lion. Look closely, a spider. Spiders build webs to catch their food. Their webs are strong and sticky, and they work as both a home and a trap. Spiders are great builders. There's a playful squirrel. Squirrels live in nests called drays, usually found high up in trees. They're made of leaves and twigs, and they're perfect for storing acorns and resting. Wow! We've met so many animals and learned about their homes. From the rabbit's burrow to the squirrel drays, every animal has a special place to live. Now, when you see these animals, you'll know exactly where they call home. Thanks for joining us on this adventure. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel, Zoo Funhouse. We'll see you next time.